guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet food, vegetables and fruit pattern. Creating crochet food items like vegetable and fruits can be a fun and creative project. You will need various yarn colors and crochet hooks. To get started, find a crochet pattern or different reviews online that match the fruits and vegetable you want to make. Then follow the instruction to create each item using different stages and techniques to achieve the desired and textures. You can customize the size and details to make them look as size and look as realistic. So most beautiful and latest ideas, crochet different vibrant color, crochet food, and remember to stuff your crochet items with stuffing material to give them a floral look. You can also add details like embroidered face or seed for a more realistic touch. Feel free to experiment and get creative with colors and shapes to make your crochet food items unique. So I hope you like it. Different and latest ideas, crochet food and like grapes, different ideas and different looks. So creating crochet food can be a fun and colorful project.